Welcome. In today's video, we're going to cover how to unhide chats on Gmail using your PC. If you've accidentally hidden a chat and want to bring it back into view, this guide will show you the steps to do just that. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your features seamlessly. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a grid icon made up of 9 dots right next to your profile photo. Click on this icon, and a menu will drop down with various options. From this menu, select Chats. This will take you to your chat section, where you can see all your current and past conversations. If the chat you want to unhide isn't visible, don't worry. We'll get it back. Next, click on New Chat located at the top of the chat window. This will open a new dialog box for starting a conversation. Here, you'll need to enter the contact's name or email address. Type in the information, and as you type, Gmail will start suggesting contacts. Once you see the correct contact appear, click on their name. This will bring you back into the chat, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. After that, simply click on Start to initiate the conversation. And just like that, you've successfully unhid a chat in Gmail. It's a quick and easy process that can help you stay connected with your contacts without missing a beat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using Gmail and other great features. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.